What if you could trigger 276,000 views in just 21 days without showing your face, without recording a voiceover, without running ads, and without spending hours making videos? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what happened to Shane Nathan. And today, for the first time ever, he's revealing how he did it. What you're about to discover is not the usual YouTube tips you've seen before. There's no talking head content, no jumping on trends, no thumbnail clickbait. Instead, it's a completely different kind of YouTube channel. A faceless, AI-powered format that's designed to bring you ongoing passive income for life. It taps into a strange algorithm trigger and quietly pulls in thousands of views per day completely free. It's what we call the invisible traffic system. And it's built for people who want free traffic, tons of email subscribers, and massive passive income without being on camera or creating traditional content. Now, if you don't know Shane, let me explain why this matters. Shane Nathan is the general manager at Warrior Plus, one of the leading digital products platforms with millions of customers. So if you've ever opened a deal of the day email or a featured promotion from Warrior Plus, you've seen Shane's name. He's not just anyone. He's the one choosing which products get featured, promoted, and spotlighted every day. He reviews hundreds of offers and launches every week. He sees everything, which offers are working and which offers are not. So when someone like Shane finds something that's getting results like this, you pay attention. And that's exactly what I did. You see, a few weeks ago, Shane started posting screenshots of one of these faceless channels he built. And the numbers were crazy. We're talking 276,000 plus views in 21 days, 1,000 plus new subscribers, all from videos that took minutes to produce and don't show his face or voice. So I messaged him immediately and I said, "What the heck are you doing? Tell me more." And at the time, he wasn't planning to release this as a low-ticket product. In fact, he was going to offer it quietly in a small $997 private group. And I was the first person to jump in and pay. What happened next is what brings us here today, because instead of keeping it private, we decided to team up and bring this to the Warrior Plus community. This system is about one thing: turning invisible videos into visible traffic and visible traffic into income. It works for the two channels Shane has built, and both of them use AI tools to create videos fast. Both are completely faceless channels, and both have gone viral, and with just 10 minutes put into each video. And this same strategy can be applied to all kinds of niches and topics. And we're not just showing you what Shane did, we're giving you the full system so you can do it too. Inside Invisible Traffic System, you'll discover the exact faceless formats that are working right now. How to create stunning viral videos in just minutes using free and low-cost AI tools. How to trigger the algorithm to give you tons of free traffic, even as a brand new channel. And most importantly, how to turn that traffic into an email list that you control and into real revenue using simple monetization steps. Even if you've never uploaded a video before, even if you have no audience, no camera, and no editing skills, this system makes it possible to build a traffic-generating channel fast and grow it like an asset you fully own. As you start getting all this traffic, you can direct it to your own email list, affiliate products, your own products or services, all kinds of merch. You name it, this is your traffic to do with as you please. But not only that, you'll find yourself getting monetized by YouTube really fast because of the massive number of views you're getting. Remember, this isn't theory. It's not what could work. This is what's already working right now for Shane and others who followed his model. And you're getting access to the full system today for far less than what Shane originally planned to charge. So here's your next step. Scroll down, click the button, and get instant access to the Invisible Traffic System. You'll see exactly what Shane did, how he did it, and how you can follow it step by step, even starting from zero. It's your chance to build a faceless, freedom-focused channel that brings in free traffic, email subscribers, and passive income, all without being on camera and without having to be YouTube famous. If you're ready for that, then Shane and I will see you on the inside.